B.2.K. Step harder, don't step at all. Trust my niggas, they never tell. Serving these shit like Taco Bell. Whole clip, finna bust your lip. You shoulda never fell. Talking like he bout that action. Sending shot just like a package. Keep a Glock, I'm never lacking. Like a wolf, I started attacking. Had to show him some cause he was out here acting a little too tough. He said he could get me all like when niggas got a bluff. Chopper got a bang, never miss. That John J claiming clutch. He ain't never robbed nobody. Smoke that nigga like a blunt. Gun up in the front seat, that nigga won't have time to run. Put some hoes up in his body, leave him right up in the mud. Gotta move cautious, just a gun on all up on me. Feeling hotter than some coffee, even your fam called you a soft. Nigga, stop up all that talking like you really gonna blow. If you moving smart that high, catch you out here moving slow. He thought he was safe, cause that nigga jumped the gate reload my gun with one bullet, cause that's just all it takes. Ever seen a nigga get shot out the family dinner? That's what I'ma do to you. Shoot out your freaking liver over anybody in my family. I'ma catch your body. He can't say nothing about me if you never been out. I ain't never told a nigga I don't wanna fight. I'll knock a nigga out soon as he get it first strike. When I walk around, I gotta keep a Glock up on my side. Know my niggas gonna ride, make sure that he ain't alive. Whole building for the killers, I don't know how we gotta give. Smashing niggas like the hook, flexing money they got too. I'm the leader of the crew, feeling just like out the hood. Reading niggas like a book, sending shots right out the blue. Walking around the block, I caught that nigga outside city trend. He said that he got a Glock, asked him why he ain't shoot it then. If that was me, then I know I would let off like 10. Yo, hitters ain't nothing but to me they're a bunch of kids. If you moving like me, then I know you moving smooth. Feeling like Bob the Builder with this rich and all these tools. I don't like when niggas talk about they freaking dirty past. Shoot that nigga in his arm, he need more than a cat. B.2.K, cause nigga, I was born to kill. I don't like when niggas talk to me, I ain't dog to feel. Don't say that you gon' ride if you just gon' waste my time. Gotta watch for I won't have to look up at the time. Nigga, dickory, dodging like the clock. Feeling like Roddy Rick cause I'm trapped up in the box. Keep a Glock with a long clip, I could get you touch. I'ma never miss my shot, it's either your head or your gut. Listen, on my gang, that's gon' make me bust your brain. Put you through some pain, I don't even care about what you claim. We ain't typing with nobody or we ain't sending no letter. We don't care about the sheriff, they ain't gon' make it no better.